2004 Lincoln Town Car. Only got 70,000 miles on it. Really clean car. We got something really special done to it. As you can see, it's got 4 converters on it. Lincolns come with 4. Ford loved putting converters on these cars. Anyways, then what we did is we took the H pipe out and put an X pipe in its place. Look at that, really beautiful. Then from the X pipe, we ran 2 Flowmaster Flow FXs right there and right there. Part number 71415, there'll be a link in the description for it. Then we ran 2-inch tailpipes, the factory ones, on each side, there and there. They got little baby resonators on them there and there. And put some 4-inch stainless steel tips out the back to complete the look. Give it that nice, cool gangster look. All on the side, look at that, it's sexy. There's the 2 mufflers that were on it. There's the H pipe that was on it. We cut all that off and ran new. So we'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, like, comment, and make sure you subscribe. 2001 Mercury Marquis. As my boy Tim says it, that's how it's supposed to be pronounced. So
not Illinois.
It's not Illinois. Okay, whatever. Anyways, factory converter there, factory converter there. Then what we did, true dueled it all the way back with 2 vibrant resonators, bottle resonators. Part number is covered. I've done so many of these, I should know the part number by now. 1794s, I think, or 92s. Anyways, they're the 2 1/4 inlet, 2 1/4 outlet. Okay, 3.5 inch round, right there and right there. And this is 2 1/4 pipe that we put in. Then it goes out to 2-inch tailpipes because there's not a lot of space, as you guys can see, there and there. So we have to cut. We get a bolt-on kit for that. I mean, like a pre-bent tailpipe because it's mandrel bent on this side. Okay, and we reuse this one because it's still good, and put them 2 factory style tips, 3.5 inch angle cut, double wall there and there to complete the look. Just comes out a lot cleaner, a lot nicer. Give it that sexy look, as you guys can see there. And there's the muffler that was on it, and it usually comes single in out the back as you get it wise into a single. There's the muffler, and that's a tailpipe from somewhere else. But that's what we cut off and ran new duals on it. So we'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, like, comment, and subscribe. 2008 Ford Crown Victoria Executive Edition. I don't know. I just came up with that. But it's cool. I like the color of it. It's different. So, as you know, if you guys know Crown Vics, they got 4 cats. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then it comes usually a single. I'll show you guys over there in the scrap pile. But what we did is we cut that off and ran true duals all the way back. And we ran it 2-inch in the middle, 2-inch tailpipes, as you guys can see. And then we ran 2 1/4 out the back on each side, there and there. And then we put 3.5 by 18 rolled edge tips to give it the Marauder look, as you guys can see, there and there. Looks a lot cleaner, a lot nicer. So now it looks like a Marauder. It's got the Marauder exhaust on it. A lot nicer, a lot sexier. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, like, comment, and make sure you subscribe. And there's the old exhaust that was on it. That's how it widened in from after the cats. There's the muffler. And there's part of the tailpipe that we cut off. There it is, what it looks like after. Exactly what you wanted? All right. That sounds classy, you know? Wow, that's clean. Yeah, it's not overbearing, nothing. It's just clean. You did good. I'm glad you went with the X-Pipe Pro on it. Your sound decibels? Right at 97. That's clean. Perfect. I like it. What do you guys think of the sound? I think for a Lincoln, it's perfect. nice. Go ahead and back it up. That sounds so good. What's the motor in it? 4.6, right? V8 power bit. That sounds good. Let you guys hear on the inside. Look at his excitement. What do you think? It used to be his car, and he sold it to him. So they've been friends since a long time. Wow, that is nice. That sounds good. Here's sound 116. That sounds neat, man. That's it, huh? It made them come out of the car. Grand Marquis. Vibrant True Duals. You guys wonder what vibrance would sound on it? There you go. Much better. I like the sound. It's clean. I'll let you guys hear it on the inside. That sounds good. Much better. Guys, 114. That sounds so nice. Go ahead and back it up. Much nicer. You see the tips on it? Came out really nice, really clean. I like it. Customer, he's not here. He's gonna come pick it up. That sounds so nice. Let you guys hear on the inside. Lincoln Town Car, 4.6 liter, X-Bite, Flow FX, 4-inch tips, out the back. We don't discriminate, we do them all. We do them all out. If you can think of it, we will make it happen. See, we don't always do too loud either. We make quiet ones too. Man, this sounds so good. I like it. Enjoy it. It's okay.
y'all call it exhaust addicts and shit. I see exactly why. That shit's contagious.
Yes, sir. True dual straight pipe, 2-inch mid, 2 1/4 rear, 3.5-inch dips.